This is Vinafriq, the African way, and we're learning the African methods of doing things. And on today's episode, we're going to be looking at how to do the African baby massage. So I know a lot of you out there, a lot of you Africans out there that have gone abroad, that are probably in my generation or lower. You remember how your moms and grandmas used to be like, oh, we have to do this for the baby, we have to bring the baby, we have to do this. And you're wondering, oh, can I do this myself? Yes, you can do this yourself because your mother also learned it, your grandma also learned it, and you can learn it. So what it does is it actually helps the baby feel calmer, it relaxes the baby. It's just like you, when you get a bath, when you get a massage, you know how all your body is just soft and the sleep just hits the right note. That's basically what it does for the baby. So it helps to relax the baby and just let that sleep enter very well. So it's a hot water massage. Please don't use scalding water on your baby. Don't cook your baby, please, guys. Disclaimer: do not cook your baby. Just use you should be able to gauge the temperature. It's not like I can tell you, use 95 degrees or use 27 degrees. It's not like it's an African thing. You gauge it. You use your thumb to check that, okay, it's not too hot, it's not too warm, it's not cold, like it will do the job. So please gauge appropriately, gauge with sense. Then use a towel to just, massage the baby. You massage the baby's head, the neck, the hands, the legs, and all of that. So I'm just going to let the video play so you can enjoy it. as you can see, the baby got super relaxed. At some point, the baby was even sleeping because it was like, yeah, hitting the right spot. So it's a relaxing bath for your baby. Helps your baby to feel calm, feel great. So there are other videos on, if you go through the channel, we have other videos. There's the palm oil baby bath. There's, African games, how to play local African games. There's a lot of hair tutorials for those of you who into hair, how to make different African hairstyles. And we'll be bringing you more African methods to do things. This is Vinafriq, your total guide to all things African and your African cultural archive. Thank you. Please hit the subscribe button. Please, 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 please. Subscribe, like, share. Thank you. Bye.